for the most Fadu show.
Jaldi aao, jaldi aao, jaldi aao, aao, aao. It's season 5. Chalo one last time for the craziest ride of all time.
வெயிட் பண்ண முடியல செம்ம ஷோக்காக ஜல்தி வா ஜல்தி வா ஜல்தி வா வா வா.
Hello season 5. Chalo pile jai for the craziest ride of all time. हमसे ना होगा कितना वेट करवाएगा सितंबर अगस्त में क्यों नहीं आता है.
Oh, season 5. Jaldi arrive, the most Jagash show of all time.
Miss my show dearly.
Made up fan theories so I can gyan pe le jao, jao, jao.
In season 5 evarautaru survive evarinka sudden ga undaru alive.
For Nairobi.
For Berlin.
For Moscow and Oslo.
For Arturo.
पर वो साला तो जिंदा है.
Oh, I know. I just really want him dead.
Our minds will be blown like that show with Thrones. Even your trailer was so wow, wow. It's season 5. Chalo one last time. Let's end it on the highest high. We can't wait anymore for the most Fadu show. Jaldi aao, jaldi aao, jaldi ra ra ra. Lo karya, jaldi 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 aao. We can't wait anymore for the most Fadu show. Jaldi aao, jaldi va va va, jaldi aao, jaldi aao, jaldi 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 aao.
We are coming. 3rd September call.